This is the book of Isaiah, chapter 29, verse 6, and it reads the Holy Scriptures. Thou shalt be visited of the Lord of hosts with thunder and with earthquake and great noise and storms and tempests and flame devouring fire. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem, Wakar Kadash. Shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely and representing the nation of Israel as well too. Say shalom to the elders, definitely for sure, and shalom to the Akim once again as well too. And this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out. This is from edition.cnn.com, published by Melissa Alonzo, Andy Rose, and David Alsip of CNN, published by them as of 1:12 a.m. Eastern Time, Saturday, June the 24th, 2023. And it reads, at least 8 people are injured after a tornado strikes Wyoming coal mine. It says a tornado touched down in northeast Wyoming Friday and tore through the North Antelope Rochelle mine in Campbell County, officials say. A tornado struck the largest coal mine in the U.S. while workers were in the midst of a shift change Friday, northeast Wyoming, injuring at least 8 people, officials say. The tornado hit the North Antelope Rochelle mine in Campbell County around 6:20 p.m. Mountain Time Friday, according to the county government spokesperson Leslie Perkins. It says it has been confirmed that the event happened during the shift change. Perkins says 6 people were being hospitalized at Campbell County Health, and all are in stable condition, according to the hospital statement Friday night, and anticipate treatment and releasing all patients. One individual transported for further care to the Memorial Hospital, Converse County in Douglas, and another refused medical treatment, according to Campbell County statement Friday night. Mine operator Peabody Energy Corporation confirmed the facility sustains damage, and its employees has accounted for their statement. Says operations has been suspended until can fully assess facility dangers and is being in the process of restarting safe operations. The statement said power and gas has been shut off. The mine county emergency official said the North Antelope Rochelle mine is the largest coal mine in the United States by production, according to the U.S. Energy Information Administration. Bring out the scripture again, Isaiah 29:6. Thou shalt be visited of the Lord of hosts with thunder and with earthquake and great noise and storms and tempests and the flame of fire. So with that, hopefully this lesson was edifying. For this recent news article, as of Saturday, June 24th, 2023, published 1:12 a.m. Eastern Time, published by Melissa Alonzo, Andy Ross, and David Alsplit from CNN.com, published by them, and it reads again, at least 8 people are injured after a tornado strikes the Wyoming coal mine. So with that, hopefully this lesson was edifying. I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem, Wakar Kadash. Shalom to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And until next time, I will say shalom.